Alright, so meron tayong inquiry about engine starter ng Coolray. Ito ay binigay ni Sir and kinuha ko yung VIN number ni Sir para sakto yung spare parts na may bibigay natin sa kanya, no? So, basically, itong EPC na gamit natin is registered sa shop natin, which is the Gilbert's Garage is mainly registered as GNA Auto Parts Trading. And yeah, yun nga. So, let's start verifying the VIN number of Sir Jonathan. And this is the Geely EPC. Wait natin, naglo-load siya. Loading. Sa una, medyo matagal talaga siyang mag-load. For what reason, I don't know. Maaring sa internet or what. But, ito yung VIN number ni Sir Alright, so this is Azcara Premium, and search natin kung may lalabas sa EPC natin or kung etyos lang ba yung mga pinagbababanggit ko rito. So ayun, legit yung lumabas yung VIN number ni Sir. And makikita natin kung ano yung lalabas dun sa tawag dito sa exact part number ng okay. So wait lang natin, naglo-loading lang siya. And ito yung mga portion ng EPC ng Geely. So nahati siya sa engine system, clutch and transmission, suspension and steering brake, body, interior, exterior trim set, electric, AC, and airbag and accessories. So titignan lang natin dito sa section na ito. It's normally it should be inside engine or engine system or electric. So ito, nakita ko na yung section ng tawag dito ng starter is under engine system. So ang starter, check natin dito. Yan, isang click lang. And then yan yung niya, yan yung picture niya, and then ito yung part number ng starter ni Sir. Basically, napakita ko na sa kanya yung mga part list na darating actually today, but due to heavy rains and wala silang yung warehouse, walang nakuhang close van na malaki para dun sa 8 boxes ng malalaking 8 boxes or 8 crates na spare parts ng Geely from China. So, ang modo nito is this is the spare parts number, this is the material number. I believe itong material number is ito yung parang manufacturer identification niya, at ito naman yung Geely part number. Ito ang maganda rito sa Geely EPC. Sa Geely EPC, mayroon na siyang picture. Hindi ka na mawawala. So ito. So ang original na basically ito makikita nyo rito, ang original is made by by Gico and for Geely. And then may ibang marka siya na ito pa, ito to, Link and Co. Yan oh. So most probably itong starter na to ay ginagamit din for Link and Co. Okay? So ito yung parang niya, yung appearance ng starter na kung in case na ituloy man. Exactly. Ayun, so thanks for watching guys, and if you have like order for your Geely, we have mostly na dumating parating bukas, mostly our engine parts for Asgara, Coolray, Okavango, and mostly for under chassis ng Coolray, electrical parts like that, and marami pa. It's around 172 items, SKU, ang dadating. So, hindi na tayo maghihintay ng mahabang oras or weeks or panahon para lang ma-maintain or ma-repair yung Geely natin. So, basically guys, this is the first batch of Geely genuine parts na i-release ng Gilbert's Garage under GNA Auto Parts Trading, and mayroon pa tayong second and third batch until I think abot to ng hanggang fifth batch. Hindi tayo yung seller na magko-collect ng money from client and then yun ang ipambibili ko. Hindi po, mayroon po tayong sariling puhunan sa mga ganitong We are new to Geely parts, but that's why we get this Geely EPC. We got license for this, so yeah, para hindi tayo chamba-chamba. But anyway, I encourage you to join my Geely marketplace. It's I called it Geely Parts BIP by Gilbert's Garage. And let's see kung ano yung mga may bibigay kong discount sa inyo kung kuan man. At definitely magbibigay ako ng discount basta maayos lang tayo mag-uusap. Ayun, thank you. Hope you will patronize the Gilbert's Garage Geely Parts. Okay, so thank you.